Hello and welcome back to Bite-Sized Finance. In this video, we'll delve deeper into evaluating cryptocurrency investments and understanding the factors that determine a sound investment opportunity. Cryptocurrency investments can be incredibly lucrative, but they are also high risk. With so many different cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects on the market, it can be overwhelming to decide where to start when it comes to evaluating investment opportunities. To help you make informed decisions, we'll cover some of the key factors you should consider when researching and evaluating different cryptocurrency projects. Liquidity is the first factor to consider when evaluating a cryptocurrency project. Liquidity refers to the ability to buy and sell a cryptocurrency quickly and easily without impacting the market price. Generally speaking, cryptocurrencies that are listed on more reputable and established exchanges will have higher liquidity, as they are more likely to be legitimate projects that have passed strict due diligence processes. However, liquidity alone does not guarantee a sound investment opportunity. Even cryptocurrencies that are listed on reputable exchanges can be subject to high volatility and significant risks. So it's important to do your own research and evaluate each project on its own merits. The underlying technology and use case of a cryptocurrency project are also important factors to consider. Many cryptocurrencies are designed to serve specific purposes, such as facilitating cross-border payments, providing privacy and anonymity, or supporting decentralized applications. It's important to understand the specific use case and value proposition of each cryptocurrency you are considering, and to evaluate whether it has a viable long-term future in the market. When evaluating a cryptocurrency's underlying technology, it's important to consider factors such as the scalability of the network, the security of the protocol, and the level of decentralization. Scalability refers to the ability of a cryptocurrency network to handle large volumes of transactions without slowing down or becoming congested. Security is important because it ensures that the network is protected from attacks and hacking attempts. Decentralization is also an important factor, as it ensures that the network is not controlled by a central authority or group of nodes, and is therefore more resistant to censorship and manipulation. The team behind a cryptocurrency project is another important consideration. Who are the founders and developers, and what is their track record in the industry? Do they have experience and expertise in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency? It's important to research the team behind a cryptocurrency project and evaluate whether they have the skills and experience necessary to successfully execute on their vision. Tokenomics is another crucial factor to consider when evaluating a cryptocurrency project. This includes factors such as the total supply of the cryptocurrency, the distribution of tokens among investors, and the fully diluted value, FDV, of the token. The FDV represents the theoretical market capitalization of a cryptocurrency if all of the currently locked up or restricted tokens were to become freely tradable. When evaluating a cryptocurrency project, it's important to pay attention to the FDV, as a high FDV can indicate significant selling pressure on the token, which may lead to lower prices and lower returns for investors. This can occur when early investors or seed investors are able to sell their tokens on the market, creating a large supply of tokens and putting downward pressure on the price. The regulatory landscape surrounding a cryptocurrency project is another important consideration. Different countries and jurisdictions have different regulations and laws around cryptocurrency, and it's important to understand how these regulations may impact the viability and success of a cryptocurrency project. In some cases, a lack of clear regulatory guidance can lead to uncertainty and instability in the market, while in other cases, strict regulations may limit the growth and adoption of a cryptocurrency project. Finally, keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-planned strategy to achieve long-term success. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly based on a variety of factors, including market demand, news events, and regulatory changes. This volatility can be a drawback for some investors, but it presents a unique opportunity for those who are willing to take on risk and do their due diligence. In conclusion, evaluating cryptocurrency investments requires a thorough analysis of a range of factors, including liquidity, underlying technology and use case, team expertise, tokenomics, regulatory landscape, and market sentiment. By conducting thorough due diligence and evaluating each project on its own merits, investors can make informed decisions and potentially identify sound investment opportunities in the dynamic and rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. However, it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk asset class and should be approached with caution. It's important to carefully consider your own risk tolerance and investment goals before making any investment decisions, and to seek advice from a financial advisor or other qualified professional if necessary. With careful research, discipline, and patience, it is possible to successfully navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investing and potentially earn significant returns on your investment. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.